Well, we decided to hike out, see what it's like at our normal reporting place, which is corner of Brookwood and Billingsley Road. They're right when they call it blizzard conditions, because we've walked through a couple of whiteout situations. Although there are people out and around. We even saw a large dump truck size plow coming out of Brookwood as we were walking down here. Haven't seen him since. It looks like they've hit Billingsley Road a couple of times, and well, they're doing the best they can, considering the amount of drifting, considering the amount of wind. It's about 28, 29 degrees again. It's about, let's see, let me see what time it is. It must be about 11 o'clock, maybe? Let's check it out here. 11:30, and this is Wednesday. It's February the 10th, and we're in the middle of the continuation of the Great Blizzard of 2010. Stay inside if you possibly can. Don't get out today. I know a number of jurisdictions have actually pulled their snow plows off because of the blizzard conditions. They can't see where they're plowing. They're advising people not even to walk, especially downtown where they're trying to clear as much of the roadway as they possibly can. This is supposed to continue until 7 o'clock tonight, so we'll just have to see. Thought we'd get out and let you see what it's like here in Charles County, in the White Plains area, corner of Brookwood and Billingsley Road. Have a good day, stay safe, and always remember, you're not sure what's going on out back unless you get outside. Have a great day. Well, this is the most dangerous road in Brookwood with all these pine trees and everything, and you can see they lost a lot of them. A lot of them went down. This road was impassable at one point. Not sure who came out and cut them all up, but you can see there's a lot of them. I doubt that it was passable. And we have the danger of more coming because, as you can see, there's a lot of wind. Part of the blizzard whiteout conditions that we're seeing down here in southern Maryland. So again, stay inside unless you got to get out. Be safe, stay warm. This is Outback Outside, Charles County, Maryland. Wednesday, February the 10th, about 12:30.